are you wondering how to use this remote control for the mini RC helicopter and how you can control it and fly somewhere? Okay, so first make sure you actually have inserted batteries so in this remote control, so it needs two AAA batteries. Then to turn it on, we have to like press this switch over here, this tiny switch, and you see it will start to blink and it will turn off. Let's turn it off. So we can press this button, the right side basically, to turn it off. So basically as soon as you like flip this switch, it like automatically starts to almost like try to fly. So this is I guess a design problem with this thing. So and actually I have some very bad news about the remote control on this thing. The thing is this product is actually kind of a fake product meant for very little kids, and the remote control is more or less completely fake on this thing. So we can only like start this thing basically, and it will actually like start to gain like height, but it will only can hover in one place basically. So we can't actually control the direction using the remote control on this thing. So really I think this is a complete scam product, and this is not properly disclosed that you won't be able to do that. So I was fooled with this item myself as well. I thought that it will be like a normal helicopter, and even on YouTube most people actually do not say that this will be like this, that this is a fake product. So I guess they want you to purchase this. So but again, you need to know this is complete fake product, and yeah, you can only like literally turn it on and it will start to fly. Also you can press this button sometimes to increase like power, and again press this button basically to like cut off power, and then it will fall to ground. So we can't even land this thing anywhere as well. So again, it's completely ridiculous that they do not disclose that this is like essentially a completely fake helicopter. So this is not helicopter really. So this is some garbage toy. And really, if you are looking to purchase this, I wouldn't suggest you to purchase it, because again, it's not a real helicopter that we can basically control and fly somewhere. Yeah, absolutely ridiculous. Anyway, sorry for this bad news. Good luck, guys.